So, okay guys, before this video starts, just want to let you guys know, like, I don't want likes or anything. I want to tell you this, what's going on, what today is for me. I just want some comments down below, guys, or something like that. Today is my birthday. I am turning 14. I am on a new laptop right now I've gotten. I got a PS4 Pro with a terabyte for my other channel, and I got a GoPro for this channel. My phone, once I get ads off that, I don't know how to get them off. I will have I'll record from my phone and my GoPro, and then I can have like 2 angles for you guys. But yeah, I'm kind of cold, that's why I'm like kind of shivering a little. I don't have my sweatshirt on right now. I don't want to be like that, but you saw it. Looks awesome. It's only like $30. I don't know if you guys ever saw the ad on the internet, but I clicked on it and got it. And it's not like the softest, but it's still the coolest. I'm still gonna wear it. Like the hoodie part's soft, but like the inside's not that much. But yeah, just want some comments down below, guys, for me. Happy birthday or something. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. It's not that much really, so yeah. Probably in 3 days or 4, I'll probably have another video, or in a week, cause not tomorrow, but the next day I'm gonna start. The like by me is half melted, so I'm gonna throw a crankbait. Maybe we can get something, cause this is a deep area. But yeah, enjoy the video. Stop wasting your time. Please leave me some comments, cause it's my birthday. Okay, this is me checking out the Isom Valley. I did check the main laid out, but I couldn't get on the computer. It's been a long time and getting new all this, so I have like barely any stuff on here. Right now I had more videos. And then I had ice fishing. I got some videos and pictures here for like a little bit at the beginning of the video so you don't get bored. And then I got the end of the video where I got me going underwater with my GoPro. Look at my bass, the lighting is kind of bad with it, and after New Year's, 2 weeks from then, I think the ice will be safe enough or good enough to go on, or it'll start freezing a lot, so yeah.